Okay, welcome and listen to this. I'm going to tell you a little story now. So, three men and a duck walk into a bar and a manager says to them, now that sounds like the start of a really good joke, doesn't it? I'm sure you've all have heard of that before. But what I want you to do, I want you to work out whether this is true or it is a joke. So imagine this, a beautiful golf course in the Garden of England and three men and a duck are playing golf. They walk off the sixth green and are about to cross the road in front of the ladies' tee on the 14th hole. Now, golf etiquette says that the three men have to give way, and the duck, of course, have to give way to the golfers standing on the ladies' tee before they play their shots. So, unbeknown to the duck, this is where the fun begins. The duck says to the four human beings that are wearing ladies' attire and standing on the 14th ladies' tee, good afternoon, ladies. What a beautiful day for a game of golf. To which one of the human beings standing there replied, yes, isn't it just? No more was said. All of the parties continued with their game. So the game is finished and the three men and the duck walk into the bar, order 2 pints of stout, a pint of Guinness and a pot of tea. And the manager says to them, excuse me, gentlemen, but I've had a complaint that one of you has made a sexist remark to one of the players on the 14th tee. And the manager continued and explained that one of the humans that the duck had upset was a non-binary individual and was extremely offended by being called a lady. And that from this point forward, they were banned from the clubhouse until a full inquiry had taken place. Now, the duck, being a sensible duck and a well-meaning duck, said that he was sorry and that his intention had been to be friendly and engaged with the four human beings standing on the tee, just having a conversation. Now then, for the purpose of the true story, I would very much like to know what your thoughts are so I can continue my journey into the human mind and the way that our belief systems work. As human beings, we are all programmed to be judgmental. That's what we do. That's how we work out if the person or the thing in front of us is friend or foe. It's a survival instinct to judge. So we do that. So, you know, one of our best skills that we also have is the ability to communicate at a high level. And if we're afraid to say anything, in case we upset another human being or offend them, at what point does communication stop because people are afraid of offending them? Isn't this something to do with the intent? You know, I was brought up to believe that nobody could offend me unless I chose to be offended. However, I know that not everybody has that belief or strength of mind to do that. No doubt there will be some of you that will be offended with this post, and that's not my intention to offend. My intention is purely for research. I really want to extend my knowledge into what is going on in people's minds today about their beliefs about all of this. So let's finish with this. You may have heard the saying, if it walks like a duck, it looks like a duck, and it quacks like a duck, then probably it's a duck. However, in this case, it was just a straightforward bloke identifying as a duck. So give me your comments down below and let me see what you think. I'd be really interested. And if you've enjoyed this video, please watch the next video just here or subscribe to my YouTube channel just here.